nĩ kĩharo gĩa Sebastian Stadium gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kĩharũ, na arũme aya nĩ a timu ya Gor Mahia na MC ĩrĩa nĩ ya Murang'a makĩona no timu ĩkĩenda kũiyũkia ũhotani. Thutha wa ndagĩka 45 gũtirĩ timu ona ĩmwe ĩrabungĩte ĩngĩ, na macoka kuma half time, mũthaki ũĩkaine ta Sunday Angaya wa Gor Mahia araringa mũkwanjũ ũrĩa ũrathire wĩingĩrĩte na maragĩa na bao ya ũhotani. Kochi ĩrĩa timu ici magĩcokeria andũ arĩa marabangĩte nditimũrano ĩno ngatho na gũikia rĩtana kũrĩ andũ angĩ a wendi mwega hamwe na thirikari cia kaunti.
Kitu ya kwanza imekuwa naweza shukuru vijana juu nilikuwa nimeanza mazoezi 1 week ago. Kwa hivyo kulingana vile nimeassess team yangu, nimeangalia kuna extra mile inabidi niende nirekebishe sana kwa hiyo attacking third.
You know, I don't want to stick my neck out, but I think we can be in the mix when it comes to the end of the season, and that's got to be our aim. You know, we want to try and win the league, we want to try and win the FA Cup and retain it, and we want to go as far as we can in CAF. I mean, that's, as a professional, that's what you do. How far we can get and do, only time will tell.
Ona gũtuĩka timu ya Murang'a MC nĩ marahotirwo, maugĩte matigũkua ngoro na no megũthiĩ na mbere na kwĩrutanĩria mategũkua ngoro.
Kidogo preparation ya last season haikuwa poa, but at least unaona kama sasa bado tuna prepare sasa, hata Fred kama hii ya kutu prepare next season. Kwa hivyo na hope hii season kulingana na preparation yetu itakuwa poa sana, tutaperform na tunaangalia si kupanda, sisi tunataka kupanda.
Hii mechi ya kirafiki imetusaidia kuona wachezaji wapya, kwa kuwa wachezaji wa kitambo wengi hawajacheza. Tumejaribu wachezaji wapya na tunaona wanaweza na wamecheza vizuri sana. Bado kufika sasa hivi sisema imekuwa poa, but wacha tuone vile season itakuwa. Tumeanza vizuri, lazima ta fight for titles na tuko CAF pia lazima tukazane.
Gor Mahia mayũkĩtio hotani ũyũ rĩngĩ thutha wa kahinda ga thikũ 2 kũrĩa marahotire Mathare United na bao 2-1. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Murang'a, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Victor Kinuthia.